uncover the top secrets to sustainable travel that will transform your trips and help protect our planet. Welcome back to Travel with Glenn. Join us as we reveal 8 incredible tips for eco-friendly journeys. From avoiding over-tourism and embracing local cultures to offsetting your carbon footprint, these eco-tips will ensure your adventures are good for you and the earth. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and tricks. 1. Avoid the crowds. Look beyond the top 10 destinations and attractions lists, explore Google Maps, or ask locals or other travelers for recommendations. Visit smaller cities or more rural areas to reduce the burden on over-visited destinations. 2. Slow down and stay a while. Instead of taking multiple shorter trips each year, opt for just one longer vacation. Spending more time in a destination makes for more authentic, memorable, and meaningful travel experiences. 3. Offset your carbon footprint. You can compensate for the carbon footprint of your trip by reducing emissions somewhere else in the world through a process known as carbon offsetting. 4. Keep your dollars local. Support local businesses and entrepreneurs by staying in locally owned homestays and guest houses, dining at local restaurants, buying from local markets, and booking excursions led by local guides. 5. Respect local communities. Read up on the local history, traditions, and etiquette before visiting. Be aware that certain gestures, clothing, or words are considered offensive in some destinations. Obey the local laws and guidelines, and leave places better than you found them. 6. Eat sustainably. Choose locally grown and in-season foods, opt for plant-based meals, and avoid overfished species and animal products from factory farms. 7. Use efficient modes of transportation. Travel by train or coach to cut your emissions when vacationing to closer destinations. Once you're at your destination, consider taking the bus, traveling by rail, or cycling around town instead of renting a car. If you do rent a car, opt for an electric, hybrid, or smaller model. 8. Conserve water and energy. When you're on vacation, do what you can to conserve local water and energy resources. Turn off the lights, TV, and any other electronics when not in use. Take a shower instead of a bath and keep it as short as possible. Thank you. Before you pack your bags for your next adventure, make sure you hit that like button if you found these sustainable travel tips helpful. Even better, click subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss out on ways to make your travels more eco-friendly. Remember, when you travel with Glenn, you're joining a community dedicated to exploring the world responsibly. Let's journey together towards a greener, more sustainable future. See you in the next video.